Upgrading your windows is one of the most effective ways to improve energy efficiency, comfort, and curb appeal in your Maricopa home. With the desert heat, dust, and occasional monsoon storms, properly installed windows make a huge difference in keeping your home cool and protected. But before your installation team arrives, a little preparation ensures the project goes smoothly, saves time, and protects your property. Here are the key steps to prepare your home for a successful window installation in Maricopa. Clear pathways inside and out. Window installers need easy access to each window, both indoors and outdoors. Start by moving furniture, plants, or decor items away from the windows. Inside, relocate couches, tables, lamps, or shelving that might block installers' workspace. Outside, trim bushes or branches near windows, and move patio furniture, garden hoses, or grills. Creating a clear path not only speeds up the installation but also reduces the risk of accidents or damage. Remove window treatments and accessories before installation day. Take down blinds, curtains, shades, and any hardware or brackets attached to your old windows. This step prevents delays and protects your coverings from dust or damage. If you plan to reuse your window treatments, store them safely in another room. If you're updating your style, this is also the perfect opportunity to choose treatments that complement your new windows. Protect floors and furniture. Dust and debris are natural parts of a window installation project. Protecting your interior makes cleanup easier once the job is complete. Cover floors. Place drop cloths, old sheets, or plastic sheeting in areas where installers will work. Shield furniture. If moving larger items isn't possible, cover them to prevent dust buildup. Secure valuables. Relocate fragile or decorative items from nearby shelves and walls to avoid accidental damage. This preparation keeps your home tidy while giving installers room to focus on the project. Plan for pets and children. Window installation involves loud tools, frequent movement, and open wall spaces. For safety and peace of mind, plan ahead. Pets. Keep pets in a separate room or arrange for them to stay elsewhere during the installation. Children. Ensure young kids are supervised and away from work zones to prevent accidents. This helps installers stay focused while keeping your loved ones safe and comfortable. Communicate with your installers. Good communication ensures the project goes smoothly. Before the installation begins, confirm key details with your contractor. Timeline. Verify start times, how long the installation will take, and the order in which windows will be replaced. Access points. Inform installers about where they should park, how they can access your home, and any security systems in use. Special instructions. Share concerns about landscaping, fragile areas, or specific requests for your property. Installers appreciate clear communication, and it helps you feel more in control of the process. Prepare for temporary disruptions during installation. Sections of your home may be briefly exposed to outdoor air. Temperature changes. Expect some fluctuation indoors, especially with Maricopa's hot daytime temperatures. Noise. Power tools and removal of old windows can be noisy, so plan activities accordingly. Privacy. Installers will move in and out of your home frequently, so consider how this affects your schedule. By anticipating these minor disruptions, you'll be less stressed during the project. Final thoughts. Installing new windows in your Maricopa home is an investment that pays off in lower energy bills, better comfort, and improved style. By preparing your home, clearing access, removing treatments, protecting furniture, planning for pets and children, and communicating with your installers, you'll help the project run smoothly from start to finish. With just a little preparation, you'll be ready to enjoy the benefits of your new windows, cooler interiors, reduced dust, and a more beautiful home perfectly suited to Maricopa's desert climate.